Hi everyone. So the problem we are solving now is salaries differences. This problem has been taken from StrataScratch.com. We would be solving this using Python. So we have been asked to calculate the difference between the highest salaries in marketing and engineering departments, and we need to output the absolute difference between these two highest salaries. We have been given two data frames. One is employee. This gives details of the employee, like the ID of the employee, his name, his or her name, salary, department ID. Other table is a department table, which is basically has the department ID and tells us the names of the department, which would be like marketing or engineering, as has been asked in the question. And one thing we'll do here is, first of all, okay. So first thing we would like to do is find the highest salary in marketing department, then find the highest salary in engineering department. Okay, I'll just comment these things out here. Find the highest salary in marketing department. Then we would find the highest salary in engineering department, and then we'll simply uh, return the absolute difference between these two highest salaries. And just before that, we also need to merge the two data frames, and I'll just tell you why. So the first data frame has all the details of the employee, but to actually find out the employees for with that belong to marketing and engineering departments, we need to filter them out by department name. Department ID would be just a number, so we wouldn't really understand if suppose the data frame is too huge. Uh, what's the department ID for marketing or engineering? So I'll start with merging the two data frames. So I create a data frame, pd.merge. I'll take the leftmost data frame, which is employee, db underscore employee. Then the right data frame would be db underscore department. The left table that we sorry the left the column from the left data frame that we would use to join on is department ID. The column from the right data frame that we would use to join on would be ID. And how we would do this, we do a left join. Okay, so this, if I just run this, I'll get an output which is the merged data frame. Now we need to find out the highest salary in marketing department. Let me term that as marketing max. So which would be a data frame. How would we get it is department, right? Now we have a combined data frame out of which we'll take the department column and filter values equals to marketing. This will give me a data frame of all marketing employees with records of all marketing employees. Now I need to pick up the salary column from this particular data frame and the return the max of the salary. The same operation I would also perform on engineering data, like the engineering department. So I term this as engineering max, create a data frame, uh, then filter out all the values where department is engineering and salary, and take out the max of the salary. Now I need to return the absolute difference. So let's say I capture that in this salary difference, and I use a inbuilt Python function called absolute. All I do is I take the maximum salary of marketing, subtract it with the maximum engineering salary, and I return salary difference. Okay, so there goes my entire code. Let's run the code. Output is 2400. Let's check the solution. Solved.